Good day everyone, you're watching Rate You Fixes. On this video, I'm going to walk you through quick fix in case if you're not able to find or insert online pictures within the Excel. Now, normally when you open an Excel application, go to Insert. Under Illustration, you would see an option which says Online Picture. And if you click on Online Picture, which says that service required to use this feature is turned off, check your privacy settings. This is the error message what you would get when you try to insert a picture in Excel. Now, in order to fix the problem, what you will have to do is you will have to cancel that particular error message. You will have to go to File at the top left corner of your Excel, go to Options. Under Options, you will have to scroll down and look for Privacy Settings. Once you click on privacy settings, scroll down a bit on this section and check the box which says experience that download online content. Check the box which says let Office download online content. So when this feature is turned on, you would be able to search for online template, pictures, and Office help and many more features or connected features which are integrated with the Office. Once you click on OK, it will ask you to restart the Office application. Click on OK. Close the Excel and try to open Excel on your computer. Now try to insert the picture. Go to Insert and Illustration and go to Online Picture. Now you should be able to insert any pictures within the Excel application. So this is how you can go ahead and fix a problem in case if you're not able to insert any pictures, online pictures within the Excel application. I hope you like this video. In case if you like this video, please make sure to hit the like button and please do not forget to subscribe to my channel. In case if you're facing any problem, please feel free to leave me a comment in the comment section. I will be more than happy to get back to you. Thank you. Have a great day.